Tell your neighbor, it came to pass while he worshiped. The devil tried to discourage me, but I kept on worshiping. The devil tried to stress me out, but I kept on worshiping. The devil tried to get me to quit, but I kept on worshiping. He tried to destroy me, but I kept praising. He tried to break me, but I kept shouting. He tried to turn me around, but I kept dancing. And while I worshiped, God showed up. Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, while you worship, your answer's coming. Neighbor, while you praise him, your answer's coming. While you're shouting, your miracle's coming. Don't stop praising him. Don't stop worshiping. Don't stop blessing his name in the middle of your praise, in the middle of your worship, in the middle of your thanksgiving. God is going to show up. Come on, shout for them, because while you worship, he's saving their mama, he's saving their daddy, he's healing them of cancer while you worship. Tell your neighbor, say, neighbor. Come on, say it with a little fire. Say, neighbor, your worship is not just an emotional roller coaster. It's not chill bumps. It's not a happy thrill feeling. Your worship is a portal that opens up and causes divinity to meet humanity and gives God the right to show up in your space, in your time. I dare you to shout for your church. I dare you to shout for your youth group. I dare you to shout for revival. My God, I feel the Holy Ghost. I dare you to shout for breakthrough.